my daughter back. Take all you can carry. There's more. There's much more. Enough to become kings yourself.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to implement physical currencies into your role-playing games in order to increase player immersion. So let's use D&D 5th edition as an example. There's 5 different denominations of currency. I've chosen to use a combination of coins and gems to represent my game's money. For a copper piece, I use a US penny. For a silver coin, I use a Japanese 1 yen piece. For gold, a Chinese novelty gold coin. For electrum, I'm using an acrylic ruby, and for platinum, I'm using an acrylic emerald. The names don't matter as long as you know the values of each. In order to organize the pieces, I've come up with a simple solution. This is a cigar box that I bought from a thrift shop for $1. I separated the different sections with some cardboard and hot glue. I then created a simple key with pictures to help players learn the different denominations these props represent. Then I came up with another idea: wallets for players. This is a simple drawstring bag that I made from leather scraps. I got the leather scraps from Hobby Lobby. It lets your players feel richer as their sack of treasure grows fuller. Most of the pieces were bought from Amazon.com, but some were bought from the dollar store, like these gems. Just be creative. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe.